In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder on Windows 11. Now, to do this, I'll be creating a new folder on my desktop, but you can do this if you want to create a new folder within a folder or wherever you like on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. To get started, what you want to do is right click onto a blank space. So I'm just going to right click over here, and from this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option for new. Hover over this, you're going to get a sub menu come up, and you can see there's an option for folder here. So what I'm going to do is give that a click, and you can see it's created our folder. We can now give this folder a name, so I'm just going to call this test folder. And if you actually want to drag anything into this folder, all you need to do is select the document you want to drag, hold down your left mouse button, and you can drag and drop this into that folder. As you can see, when we open the folder, the documents are now in that folder. So that is how to create a new folder on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.